Imagine stepping into a world where precision meets innovation, the assembly line of the Airbus A320. Each aircraft begins as a collection of over 300,000 parts, meticulously crafted in various facilities around the globe. From the wings, made of lightweight composite materials, to the fuselage, which is assembled with laser accuracy, every piece plays a crucial role in the aircraft's performance. As the sections come together, robots and skilled technicians collaborate seamlessly. Riveting, welding, and painting transform raw materials into a sleek flying machine. The cockpit is a marvel of technology, packed with advanced avionics that ensure safety and efficiency. Once assembled, the A320 undergoes rigorous testing. Think of it as a final exam for an athlete. It's pushed to its limits to ensure it can handle everything from turbulence to extreme weather. Finally, after thousands of hours of work, it's ready for its maiden flight, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering excellence. The A320 isn't just built, it's crafted with passion and precision, ready to take to the skies.